AI is driving one of the most powerful trends in today's market, but most traders only recognize it after the move has already happened. Every major move starts quietly. This signal was generated here, in real time, before the move became obvious. As the trend begins, the signal transitions into a developing move. Around earnings, volatility increases. AbleTrend doesn't predict the news. It shows how the market is positioning in real time. So instead of reacting after the move, you stay aligned as the trend unfolds. Because AbleTrend signals are generated in real time and cannot be recreated afterward, you're seeing what traders saw at the moment decisions were made. And once a trend develops, the opportunity doesn't end with one entry. As new signals appear in real time, you can build positions step by step, without chasing or guessing. That's the advantage of real-time signals. Start with our free real-time sweet spot buy alerts. Get fresh signals delivered directly to your inbox the moment they appear. No credit card required. And inside the AbleTrend trial, you can see the full support, exit, and risk management system designed to help you trade with confidence. Take advantage of real-time signals and see the difference in your trading.
Buy on blue, sell on red. Able says award-winning signal.